Hello, my name is Matt Restaino with Aurohealth. Aurohealth is the OTC division of Aurobindo Pharmaceuticals, a $2.5 billion global pharmaceutical company. Aurohealth has a very large product line, including cough, cold, allergy liquid products. We offer store label and our own control label. We provide products to the drug chains, the large distributors, and wholesalers. We do anything from allergy to cough, cold to sleep liquids. Another extremely important piece of our business includes the ANDA portfolio, which is the Rx-to-OTC switches. These items right here on the left are approved ANDAs. So we have the fexofenadine, Aleve, the cetirizine, both liquid and tablet form, and the loperamide, as well as the newly approved naproxen tablets. On the right, we have our ANDAs that will be coming in the future. Within this year, we should have all of these approvals. Another new business we're getting into, which is very exciting for us, is the solid dose product line, which we're basically, our phase 1 products include the Tylenol family, the acetaminophen family, regular strength, extra strength, and the PM, as well as the Benadryl line. So we're going to offer the Benadryl line with the pain relief. Another exciting piece for us is the solid dose digestive family, the bisacodyl family. And with this, I just want to point out, we do all point of sale material. We do displays, different display options, different type of packaging. So we can fill basically any needs packaging wise. And lastly, this is exciting for us. This is our brand new liquid digestive family. The Mylantas, the Maalox, Pepto-Bismol, milk with magnesia. Just launching this now. It's a very exciting piece for us to go along with our cough, cold, and solid dose products.